Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. My sister Kim is visiting again, and we have decided to do some Taco Bell copycat recipes of items that were removed from the menu in 2020. This video will be on how to make Beefy Fritos Burrito. So you want to start off by browning the ground beef. We used a little over a pound, but how much you use really depends on how many people you are serving. We use this for multiple recipes, but for just this recipe, a pound will make 4 to 6 burritos depending on how much meat you stuff each burrito with. Next, start cooking the rice. You want a Spanish rice or a Mexican style rice. Kim can't do peppers or onions, so we had to find something that didn't have a lot of that in it. Rice-a-roni is what we went with, but for picky eaters, I would say it would probably be best just to make regular white rice and add taco seasoning to it. With the rice-a-roni, you melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then you add in the rice and you mix until it's browned. Y'all, I usually do everything from scratch, but we are making this for our culinary challenge category created for Kim. I'm sure you can find some Spanish rice you can microwave to make it even easier, but I don't own a microwave, nor do I want to own a microwave, so this is the easiest it's going to get with me. So then after the rice has browned, you want to add in the seasoning mix and water, and you bring that to a boil, and you reduce it to simmer, and you cook for about 20 minutes. While that is cooking, finish browning your ground beef, and then you drain the beef. You want to add in your taco seasoning mix. We tried to use everything with a Taco Bell brand since we wanted to get it as close to the original flavor as possible. The package says to add 3/4 a cup of water. I only used a half a cup of water though because I do not like my meat to be watery. I hate it when I go to eat a taco or burrito and when I bite into it, it drains everywhere. So I always use less water than what it calls for. After the water is added, mix it all together and simmer on low for a few minutes. Then I heated a can of nacho cheese, refried beans. You can also buy Taco Bell brand refried beans. I didn't really notice where they tasted any different than any other brand though. We use 10-inch flour tortilla shells. We are only making 2 burritos, so we just heated 2 shells for a couple of minutes in the oven until it was warm. I didn't have any eyes left to use on the stovetop is the only reason I heated it up in the oven. Once everything is heated, you start loading up your tortilla shell. I started it with nacho cheese. I spread it all over the shell. I'm sure we used a lot more than Taco Bell does. Then I added a scoop of rice, a big scoop of ground beef, and a handful of Fritos. I may have used too many Fritos because I had difficulty rolling the burrito, or maybe I used too much beef or rice, probably beef. It was definitely overstuffed and didn't fold as well as I would have liked, but it tasted great anyway. So there you have it, another drool-worthy human treat. Beefy Fritos Burrito. Used to be one of the best things on the Taco Bell menu. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and stay tuned because we will have more CopyCat Taco Bell videos coming soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.